It's a great goal because he hit it on the ground. Because if you hit it in the air and you go past that razor wire there, well, then you have a whole other problem.
This field is very old, but it's very dangerous environment to raise these kids here. It's a simple thing that every child in the world have the right to play in a safe environment, a clean environment, not hurt him. I mean, all this, even these flags which put in here by settlers, they made like a razor wire. If any Palestinian kid jump to brought back the ball, they brought army, and he arrested.
Education under attack, what does it look like? Education under attack looks like these Palestinian kids, many of whom have had their home demolished, this place of play, a place to relieve some stress, this football field at risk of demolition. That's education under attack. And education is under attack for Palestinian girls and boys across the West Bank.